Today, we're unboxing a 30-watt handheld laser marking machine. First of all, the packaging is very tight and the shockproof effect is very good, ensuring that the machine is not imaged during transportation. The surface treatment is very smooth and the feel is quite good. In terms of accessories, we also received a power adapter, a fixed focus hood, a USB data cable, and installation tools and configuration tools such as a USB flash drive and a screen touch pen. The front end is equipped with a high-definition display to show the working status and current settings, and the light has a protective cover to prevent dust from entering. On the side, there is a power interface, USB connection port, and a status indicator light, and there is an emergency button. In addition, the handle design of the marking machine, with an aerodynamic curve design, which will not feel uncomfortable for long-term use, has a moderate weight and is very light to operate. After connecting the power supply, press the power switch, and the machine starts smoothly. As you can see, the operation interface of the machine is quite simple. Without too much setting, insert the USB flash driver to the machine. The software supports multiple formats such as DXF, PLT, BMP, etc., and can also customize text and patterns. If you also want to buy such a laser marking machine, please leave a message to share your application scenarios. Welcome to subscribe our channel to get more reviews. See you next time.